Hello, I Varun here. Welcome you to my channel. And today we are going to solve a question that if A is a symmetric matrix, then what is going to be the value of exponential to the power A? So if you want to solve it yourself, just pause the video, and whosoever is not able to get to the answers or see the solutions, then keep forward the video. We are going to see in the next slides. So let us so these type of questions are familiar with the paper, for example IIT JAM, NET, JRF, GATE. So let's see the solution. So first of all I would like to tell you the formula that what will be the expansion of exponential of power x. E की power x is basically 1 plus x upon 1 factorial and plus x square 2 factorial and so on. This is the common thing. And if we replace here x by matrix A of given order n by n, so it will be equivalent to e की power a is equal to 1 will become the identity matrix itself, because it's the addition matrix of order n cross n, and all the x will be replaced by the a. And if we take the transpose of both the sides e की power a dash, I am representing the dash with the transpose here. So basically symmetric matrix is what? Symmetric matrix is something that matrix is equal to the transpose of a matrix itself. So e की power a dash is equal to, we are taking both times dash. So next step I will want to show you that some tricks or some basic ideas to solve this problem. And we will be using some properties of transpose of matrix that will help to solve this problem. So now a plus b dash, that is transpose of a plus b, is equal to a transpose plus b transpose, and a b transpose is b transpose a transpose. So these are the basic properties that you all will be familiar in the class 11th. And if we replace here by b by a, then what will be have, we are replacing just here b by a, if you can see. So a dash is equal to a dash, that is a dash square, and in you can say a square, transpose of a square is basically square of its transpose. So in general, if you want to say that this will satisfy all the powers of a, so a की power n का transpose is equal to a dash transpose. Use that in our previous slides. Now coming to where we left, so e की power a dash, we took the transpose on the both the sides. So using the identity that some transpose breaks down over addition, so a plus b dash is equal to a dash b dash. So the part in the RHS will be break down into e की power a dash identity dash and plus a dash upon 1 factorial and so on. And again using the identity a की power n dash is equal to a dash की power n, we will be left with e की power a dash is equal to identity dash a dash and a dash का square and so on. Since the symmetric matrix, because the matrix is symmetric, so a is equal to a dash, so we can replace all the a dash with the a's. So we are left with identity plus a and plus a square by 2 factorial, a cube by 3 factorial and so on, and this is nothing but the exponential of a. So we have proved that e की power a का dash is equal to e की power a, hence e की power a is a symmetric matrix. So you can also think about proving about whether e की power, if a is a skew symmetric matrix, then what will be the e की power a, whether e की power a is going to come symmetric or skew symmetric. You can check it down and tell me in the comments. Some questions, practice questions for you. So there is a first question: if a, b, c are the three eigenvalues of a matrix A, then what is the trace and determinant of the matrix that is exponential of A? So this is a easy question, you can work it out. And there is a second question that is a mind bender for you. If there is a matrix M and it is defined what is e की power n, it is basically the definition identity plus m square by 2 factorial that we used earlier. So if e की power m is equal to b I j, then what is going to be the value of 1 upon e double summation I is equal to 1 over 3 and j is equal to 1 to 3 b I j. So this is a numerical type based question, and it is basically from the GATE examinations, and so you can try and tell me the what is the answer you are getting, and if you are not able to solve it, just tell me in the comment section. I will be posting a solution for this. At the last, if you find this content helpful, just like and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this, and if you have any suggestions or questions, kindly leave them in the comment box below. So thank you for today. Thank you guys. All the best.